Good morning dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a summer recipe with you, light, cool and comforting curd rice. I love having curd rice even otherwise, not only in summers. It's very light meal, you can just pair it with some poriyal and it's really lovely, delicious. These days, of course, people have started making innovations and adding lots of things to it, like grapes, grated carrot, grated cucumber, pomegranate. But I love my curd rice simple and traditional, just the way they make it in South Indian Brahmin homes. They don't add anything, but they make it really soft, mushy with lot of curd. I like it that way. So I'm going to share that simple, plain, traditional one.
Curd rice, traditional South Indian style. You can enjoy it with any poriyal and pickle. It's light and comforting meal, especially in summers. For this we have taken cooked rice, which is 2 cups. I have cooked with little salt and cook it to a softer texture. Yogurt 200 grams or as needed. Oil 1 tablespoon. Some coriander leaves finely chopped. Grated ginger, this is optional. If you don't like, you can skip it. Salt to taste. And for tempering ingredients, I have mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, Asafoetida 2 pinches, red chilli 1 broken into pieces, and 1 sprig of curry leaves. Ingredients list also can be seen in the description box. Now let's start mixing. Transfer the rice into a bigger bowl and mash it. Add little water. Use drinking water. It should not be grainy, you have to mash it up a bit. Now we will mix the curd. I have taken 2 smaller cups, which is 100 grams each. 2 cups of rice, 200 grams of yogurt. You can add more or less according to your preference. Mix it with a spoon. Again, we are going to still adjust the consistency. Mash it up again a bit. Add little water and give it a nice mix. By the way, have you subscribed to the channel? If not, please do so and click on the bell icon so that you receive notifications whenever I upload a new video. So here we have added little water and adjusted the consistency. Add salt to taste. Add some grated ginger. If you don't like, you can skip the ginger as I mentioned earlier. Add coriander leaves, give it a nice mix. Ginger is good for digestion. Mix everything very nicely. Check the salt. Also the consistency, you can add water. Some people also like to add milk, but I like adding water. We don't mix milk and yogurt together. Perfect, it is done now. Finally add the tempering. Mustard seeds, Asafoetida and dry red chillies along with some curry leaves. Mix well so that all the flavors get incorporated. Your delicious curd rice is ready. You can enjoy it chilled or at room temperature. I have served it with some beans poriyal and little bit of pickle. Tastes so good. Such an enjoyable meal. It's light on the stomach also. I love it in summers. Thank you for watching. Here are some videos from the archives. If you wish, you can check them out. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.